Okay, so we're gonna head straight down the street and we're just gonna keep on walking all the way down. So this is gonna be our intros and it's gonna be kind of following all these purple and gold buildings. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And before we go down to our purple and gold buildings, this is kind of cool because it's got these really cool looking balconies everywhere. This one I have to kind of watch out because these buses come by pretty close. Got a big giant tree, and then this right here, there's like a tea ceremony place and then a little park in there. It's a kind of an urban gardens. And yeah, just kind of some cool rooftop stuff. So what we're gonna do next is just follow this purple and gold. And I saw the year, I said 1924, so this is 1924. I don't see it on this side, but I saw it on the other side. Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's like kind of nice little courtyards, and I have gone inside before there too, and I filmed it as well, but that was about a year ago or so. So okay, let me see. Alright, so we're gonna just keep on going, and we have more of these buildings here, and we definitely have them right here too. And we're gonna wait for these cars to go by. There's the garden. Okay, so let's see, after this one goes by, then we're gonna go across. So now is the time, I guess. And all these, this all has kind of some bamboo here that looks good. Academia. Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna keep on following this. So yeah, I guess this is 1924. Just a little bit of background. I think this is kind of would have been outside the traditional city of the original city. So this would have been when they're kind of more expanding into the suburbs and things like that. So yeah, this kind of has like a pretty cool little Portuguese feel. Rua de Sacadura Cabral. Okay. So we're gonna try to step away from the building so you get a better appreciation for it. These buses all go under a tunnel, come up on this side. So yeah, there you go. Kind of cool. Got a nice balcony as well. Yeah, really nice. So okay. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so lots of people are kind of playing out here, bikes and such. And then there's our library. I think this is called the Central Library right here. Oh, I was gonna film this one anyways. This is a hotel. This is the first casino. I'm gonna do a whole other film right there. So we'll just kind of stop right in here and we'll end this one. And that'll be it. Okay, you see that straight ahead? That little big mural? That's a first casino in Macau. So we're gonna go around there and explore and let you see what it looks like. So yep, here we go. This is Casino Estoril. I'm not sure the pronunciation, but this is basically a plaza. So yeah, there's Culture Institute, Public Library, a bunch of other kind of government buildings that have coolness to them. And then this right here is the very first casino in Macau. So now they have the Lisboa, a new casino, and then that new casino has like a mural that's really similar to this. And so I think the story is it's kind of it's copied after it. So there you go. Chiquinha, chiquinha.